Code reviews are valuable for so many reasons: code quality, preventing bugs, learning from one another, and avoiding silos. We believe in order to do a code review really well, there needs to be an easy and effective way to transfer understanding from the author to the reviewer. And that is why we created tours. Tours enable an author to make an interactive visual walkthrough of the code to explain how the code works and why it was implemented in this way. Here's a recent code review that I made. I want to help my reviewers understand what I changed and why. So I'm going to make a tour. I think for this PR, I want to start with an overview. So I'm going to make a couple comments here on the map. Here's where that new algorithm is defined. Here's where we use that algorithm. And here are some new tests. And as I do this, these comments show up in the tour panel and I can rearrange and edit them right here. Now, I want to dive in and give a couple key pointers about how the code changed. So I'm just going to make a comment directly on the code and then toggle to add a tour. And my comments get added to the tour along with the code. And again, it's easy to rearrange and edit these tour points right here in the tour panel. Now, as the code reviewer, I often dread diving into a new code review. I know it means I'm going to have to read a bunch of code line by line and build up a mental model of how this change works. But now, when I come to review the code, I can see that there's a tour waiting for me. I can step forwards and backwards, switch between the map and the code view, and use that tour to ramp up on this new code quickly and easily before diving into the review. We find that tours not only help ensure a faster and better quality code review, but they just make reviewers more willing to review the code, which means your PR gets merged sooner. Thanks and happy coding.